video of how to do a secret. Now this is probably Disney's most well-kept secret that you could possibly find about getting into the park without having to ride the monorail and the ferry when it's really crowded and a lot of people. So what you're going to do is, when you're right here at the welcome to the Transportation and Ticket Center, you can see off in the background over there we got the monorail that leads to Epcot into the Magic Kingdom. And then over here we got the tram that is letting all the people out from the parking garage.
I'm gonna put my daddy's hand.
So if you want to bypass this crowd, especially on a day like tomorrow when it's going to be Thanksgiving and it's going to be a lot of people, what we're going to do is we're going to skip all this, and by the time you wait in line to get on that monorail, or by the time you wait in line to get on that ferry, you could have already done this. And as you can see now also, you have to go through security here at the ticket exchange instead of going through security over to Magic Kingdom now. So the lines get backed up pretty good. This right now is pretty low light because it's late in the evening, but this works best when it's really crowded and jam-packed. And this is what we're going to do. We're just walking around it. We're not even going to go into the park here.
We gotta follow these posts down, right? Yep.
Alright, so now off over here to your left of the Ticket and Transportation Center, you can start to see the Polynesian Resort. That's where you want to walk to, okay? So you want to, if you park your car, this only works if you park your car and you come here, or if you come from Epcot or another way, limo or whatever. You want to make sure that you don't go through the front gate yet. All right, you want to take this big left-hand turn and walk all the way over here to the left. And as you can see, there's a little path that's right up here that's going to take us right on over to the Polynesian Resort. And that's what you want to do. You want to walk over here to the Polynesian Resort. All right, we are now entering into the Polynesian Resort. So there's a nice little path here you can take. All right, just take a right here, guys.
Oh, I know.
So it dumps you out right here. Then you're just gonna hang a right, and we're gonna walk around to the back of this building here.
Not actually to the back. Not actually to the back, guys, but not really.
Off in the distance, you get a good little view of both Space Mountain and Cinderella's Castle over the Seven Seas Lagoon. And that the ferry boat ramp where you get on the ferry boat to take it over to the Magic Kingdom. So now that we're in the back of the Polynesian, you're just going to follow this path around towards the Grand Floridian.
What? That
So you're just going to keep going around this way. Keep staying to the back of the path.
Bill, where are you going? We're not... Aiden, get over here right now.
Aiden, get over here.
So after we come around the bungalows here for the scenic tour, or you could just take the straight and narrow path here. Either way, it doesn't matter. But you can still see the ticket station right over there in the monorail. You just come around here, and now we're going to follow this path. And right there is that secret, that little ferry boat that's sitting right there.
Granddaughter. Come on, Evelyn, put on your shoes. Do you want to see Papa? Let's tie things together.
I'm on this side of the day, so I won't try it.
So you're just going to walk on the back part of this pool, stay on the back part of the Polynesian again. And you're going to walk right out there and get on this boat. And this boat is going to take you straight across to the Seven Seas Lagoon, straight to the Magic Kingdom, just like they're leaving right now. And in the afternoon on your way back from there, you could do it in reverse, because you'll see a lot of times the people to get on the ferry boat, especially after the fireworks, will be backed up like crazy. People getting on the monorail will be backed up like there's no tomorrow. You just go right over there and tell them you're going to the Polynesian, and do it in reverse. You'll get off here and just walk straight across to the ticket station, and then either take the tram or walk over there to your car. Well, I hope you enjoyed this shortcut. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, because this will definitely, especially if you got kids, save you a lot of time.
Everybody poop. Everybody poop.
And at night, if you come this way, as a little extra bonus, you can look around at the back of the Polynesian. They got all the tiki flames on, tiki torches up on flames. And then if it's a beautiful night like this, and then you take that little ferry and
Who's gonna get on the boat?
so as you can see, this is a small little ferry boat. Not many people on it, so it's going to take us straight over to the Magic Kingdom. Somebody got married over there today.
We are preparing to dock. This is a free-floating vessel, and docking can be bumpy at times. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat until your captain returns and gives you the all clear to go ashore.
Try to see the boat over there. Right. Right. We can some boat up here. There, right? Right. So we could not go back. Right. That's your car, right?
That's right.
We have like boats and right?
So when you get here, you'll go through this little bitty baggage claim right outside of the Magic Kingdom here, and then you can just go right on in and you're good to go. And then like I said, on the way back, you just come right back out the same way and get right back on the ferry and reverse it. So again, if you like this, hit that subscribe button, comment down below if you think you're ever going to use this, and we'd appreciate everything you can give us. We're just starting this channel off. We got some other videos on Disney, some 4K videos of the rides and stuff. Go check them out and let us know what you think. All right, Aiden, see you later.
See you later.